Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to TechSmart for a very special video. Right in front of me, I have an iPhone XS Max. And now, an iPhone 11 Pro. Alright guys, so this is going to be a super quick video. This is the $5 iPhone 11 hack. Here we go. So let's say you have an iPhone 11 upgrade. It's between you and your girl. Someone's got to have it. She really wants it. But since you work at Chick-fil-A and you have a XS Max, and if only you could work that Sunday shift and get yourself an iPhone 11, all would be well. So how do you compromise and make sure she stays with you? Boom! Here comes the iPhone 11 camera hack. For $5, you get an adhesive kind of camera cutout. Peep this. And with one pull, you take your iPhone XS Max and you now make it an iPhone 11 Pro. Now I know what you're thinking. What do the critics say? One has 3, one also has 1, 2, 3. It checks out, right? How do the photos look? And both photos pretty much look the same. There's 3 cameras, trust me. So that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to drop a like, get subscribed if you guys want more like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.